Website that I'd never heard of before, to be honest. I actually heard about this website through Brian Trick. Brian is the guy that we redid my 12-volt axle. You can see, well, you can kind of see it poking out right there. But anyway, what I've learned in this business is that oftentimes you learn by doing. I've learned more through posting YouTube videos than I can even tell you. And so unfortunately sometimes these things come after the fact. So in other words, I already made a channel like this, if you remember, okay? Then Brian's like, oh, there's a guy that does that. I'm like, really? Couldn't find it when I was searching, and this website is awesome. They don't pay me to say this. I purchased these parts with my own money. It is rustreplace.com. Sorry about the dogs. Rustreplace.com. And what this is, wow, look at this. This is the rear window channel, and it's already punched out, as you can see, for spot welds. You see it's got some shape to it. Maybe that's a better way to show it. So it's got some curve this way. It's obviously curved this way as well. Let's go see how it fits on the back of the window. So here's this piece, and it goes right there. Isn't that awesome? It's hard to tell exactly. There's a stud in the way. There's a stud in the way there. There's a stud in the way there that's gonna have to be cut away. But I think it's gonna fit really well. Trying to look at how flat it's gonna lay. I think I'm free to just go ahead and I'm gonna cut under that lip there, because I think this is gonna drop down a little bit more, because once this metal is cut away, it's gonna go down about another 30 thousandths of an inch, or 30 to 50 thousandths. But I think the way this is made, this lip is taller than you need it to be. So I think if I cut to, right there all the way across, I think I'm in good shape. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Cut it all the way, replace it. Still need to grind, obviously, down in here, but maybe get like a Dremel or something, or take the trunk lid off.